Editing a landing page in System.io is a simple process that allows you to customize your page for better conversions. Here's how to do it. Log into your System.io account. Visit System.io and log in using your credentials. Access the Funnel section. On the dashboard, click on Funnels from the left menu. Find the funnel that contains the landing page you want to edit and click on it. Select the landing page. Inside the funnel, you will see a list of pages. Locate the landing page and click Edit to open the page builder. Use the page builder. The page builder will load, displaying a drag and drop interface. You can modify text, images, colors, buttons, and forms by clicking on the respective elements. To edit text, simply click on the text box and type your changes. To replace an image, click on the image and upload a new one. Customize design. You can change the design of the landing page, including fonts, layout, and section placement, using the left sidebar options. Save changes. After editing, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. Preview and publish. Use the preview button to see how your landing page looks before publishing. Once satisfied, publish the page for your audience.